If you're having trouble printing with your HP Officejet Pro 9135e or any 9100 model, stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this video. Hey YouTube, what is going on? The printer guy here, and today I've got the HP Officejet Pro 9135e. Now, anything that I talk about in this video is going to be applicable to any HP Officejet 9100 model. Basically, if you're printing blank pages, not able to print a certain color, or you have an overall and general print quality issue, you have lines, streaks, random splotches of color coming up in your print, you're gonna wanna watch this entire video. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. All right, so the product we're gonna be using to solve this problem is my very own product, the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. There's gonna be a link for this product down in the description below. Anytime during this video, you can pause the video, go down, click the link, get it for yourself, and come back and watch the rest of this video. This is a simplified DIY process. Anyone can do this. I've had hundreds, thousands of testimonials of people that have used this product on their printer when they're having an issue. It has solved their problem and they were able to save hundreds in the process. So consider buying the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. All right, so if you are watching this video for the first time and you're getting to see what it is you need to do to solve this problem, to get your printer back up and running normally again, you may want to watch this video several times. Save this video. I'm also going to put chapters down below on the video so you can skip around at some point. The first time you're going to want to watch the entire video, but when you come back to watch, you probably will want to skip around a little bit. So those chapters are down there for your convenience. There are also going to be links. Aside from the link for the Best Printers Cleaning Kit, I'm going to be leaving a link for some other products I end up talking about in this video. Another thing you really need to make sure of is that you have full ink cartridges. If you don't, if they're running even a little bit dry, or you suspect that they might be less than 50%, you're going to need to buy new ink. That's also going to be linked down in the description below. When you buy the products from the description below, when you buy and support the Best Printers Cleaning Kit, it helps support this channel and it helps me create more content like this to do more specialized videos for specific printers like I'm doing here in this video. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started with this printhead cleaning. All right, so this is what you're gonna need to do this cleaning. Of course, the Best Printers Cleaning Kit, which is linked down below. You're also gonna need a deep container, just like the one here in the video, and you're gonna need some paper towel. Paper towel you can probably find in your kitchen. One of the things I like to do when I'm doing a cleaning on a printer is go into the settings of that printer and print off a report that shows you the different colors. And so that's going to be a print quality report, or maybe named something else, but that's basically going to show you which colors are not performing well, or maybe they're not printing at all, or maybe they have a little bit of fades in them, or they are totally fine and you don't need to do any cleaning on them. So that report is going to help you out substantially. All right, so to release the print head, you're going to lift up that gray latch, and then you're going to pull the print head out. You're going to place it in the plastic container or whatever container you have at your disposal. And this is where we're going to use the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. Again, link in the description below for this cleaning kit. This is the only cleaning kit I recommend. I cannot speak on any other cleaning kit that is out there on the market. So you're going to take your syringe, you're going to fill it up with fluid, and you're not going to have to use any attachments. Fortunately, with this kit, you do have attachments, but you won't need them. All you're going to need is that silicone tubing that's already attached to the syringe when it comes in the packaging. Now you're going to look at the report, or if you already know what color is giving you the most issues, then you're simply going to take the silicone tubing and place that tubing over the nozzle of the color that you want to clean. Right now we have it over the black nozzle, and we're going to clean out that black nozzle. And so what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that that nozzle is totally covered by the silicone tubing. So just make sure that the silicone tubing sits all the way in, as far in as it can, totally covering that nozzle. Then you can begin to push cleaning fluid. If you are having any resistance at this point with the cleaning fluid, with the syringe, not able to press through like you see here in the video, you're going to want to warm up the cleaning fluid. There's several ways you can do that. There are videos on this channel and on my website, bestprinterstech.com, showing you how to warm up the cleaning fluid, and you're going to want to reapply with that warmed up cleaning fluid because that's going to help break up the blockage, and a lot of times that just does the trick and everything is able to flow properly. That is a part of the problem though with this clog, is that things have dried up in there, ink has dried up, ink has sludged up. And so a lot of times it does require that you warm up the cleaning fluid so that you're able to actually push the fluid through. Now, if it starts flowing normally from the beginning, then you're all set. There's no need to warm anything up. That's just an extra step just in case you are having this issue where it's not pressing through. Your container should look something like this. Whatever ink you've pushed through, that color should be in the container, pushed out. Sometimes it will come out clear or another color. And make sure that you are totally satisfied with your cleaning before you put the print head back in the printer. And make sure you clean all of the colors that you need to clean before you put the print head back. You could take a few days on this if you really needed to, so you can slowly but surely get this print head totally unclogged. And then before you get to this step where you're replacing the print head, you want to wait 24 hours. That's a very important time period. You need 24 hours for everything to totally dry up. Even if you've wiped it off, it doesn't matter. You need this to totally dry before you actually put this print head back in the printer. But once you do, you will close it up with that latch. You're going to place in your new ink. This is a good time to mention. If your ink is running low or it's been quite some time since you've changed out your ink, you're going to want to buy some new ink. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below as well for some new remanufactured ink for this printer. All right, so we are not done with this cleaning. Once you have used the cleaning kit, we now are going to go into the menu of the printer. We're going to go into the tools because we're going to run a print head cleaning in the system. Click troubleshooting, print quality, and then we're going to hit print head cleaning. There are 3 levels of cleaning. I highly recommend you start out with level 3. I'm going to start out with level 1, and I'm going to show you the results that you get with level 1. But essentially what we're trying to do here is this cleaning only goes so far. It doesn't actually solve the problem many times, but it will get you to where the ink is flowing back into those nozzles. You have cleared out those nozzles with cleaning fluid, and now they need to be replaced with ink. I highly recommend, again, you use level 3, not level 1 or 2. Start out with level 3 and you will start to get your color back 100%. This is where you should see the color that was faded and or was not printing is now starting to print clearer and clearer, and you may have to do this level of cleaning, level 3 cleaning, several times. If you do level 1 and level 2, as you see here in the video, it's not going to quite do it, and it may take several of those level 3 cleanings in order to get to this point where I'm at here. And ultimately, you do want to do some more cleanings to get it to be 100%. There should be no breaks in any of the colors. And once you're at that point, you have fully completed the cleaning, and hopefully you have totally solved the problem that you were having. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please make sure to like the video. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Remember, all of the product links I ended up talking about in this video for the Best Printers Cleaning Kit and for the new remanufactured ink that you'll need for this cleaning. All right, so that's really all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.